In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a OneDrive upload link. By the end, you'll have a simple, reusable link that lets other people add files directly into a folder you control. This is perfect for collecting photos from an event, gathering documents from a team, or receiving large files without clogging your inbox. Start by creating a dedicated folder in OneDrive. Keeping uploads in their own folder makes everything easier to organize and safer to manage. Give the folder a clear name so recipients know what belongs there, and so you can quickly find it later. If you're working with limited storage, remember that anything others upload will count against your OneDrive space, so plan accordingly. With your folder ready, right-click it and choose Share. You can do this from the OneDrive web app or from your computer if OneDrive is synced. The Share option is what turns your private folder into a place others can reach. You'll see a panel or window open with link settings. Now set the permissions so people can actually upload. Choose the option that says anyone with the link can edit. This is the key setting that allows others to add files into the folder. If you see a link settings or permissions section, make sure editing is allowed. Keep in mind that edit access lets recipients upload, rename, and potentially change or remove items. So use a dedicated folder and only share the link with people you trust. If you ever need to tighten access later, you can return to the share settings and adjust or stop sharing at any time. Once the permission is set, copy the link and send it to your audience. Use the copy link button, then paste it into an email, message, or project space. When sharing, it helps to add a short note with what you're collecting, any file naming preferences, and a deadline. Recipients can open the link, drop in their files, and you'll see them appear in that folder as they upload. That's all it takes. Create a folder, share it, set anyone with the link can edit, then copy and send the link. You now have a straightforward upload link that makes collecting files fast and organized. When you're done collecting, consider removing edit access or archiving the folder to keep your OneDrive tidy. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the time you'll save with your new OneDrive upload link.